Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to create Steam account on mobile. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. From here, search and go to Steam. After that, tap on the first link as shown here. From here, you need to scroll down and tap on Sign In. From the Sign In page, scroll down and tap on Join Steam. Now you need to provide your email address. Once you're done, you need to confirm your email address, so write it down again. And after it's done, you need to select your country of residence. Then take the checkbox for I'm not a robot. Now check the terms and conditions and tap on Continue. It will say they've sent an email to the address. Now open your Gmail and refresh it. And as you can see, we've already received the email from Steam. Open it up and tap on Verify My Email. And as you can see, your email has been verified. Now go back to your web browser. Here you will need to put in your account name for Steam. Once you're done, choose a password for your Steam account. Once you start typing your password, you'll see that it says the password needs to be at least 8 characters long. Also, you will need to include lowercase and uppercase letters as well as numbers and symbols for a stronger password. Once you're done, type in your password again in order to confirm your password. After that, just scroll down and tap on Done. Now, as you can see, your new Steam account has been created. Tap on Save on the top to save your password through Google. Now all you need to do is enjoy your new Steam account. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.